Morning, buddy.
Morning.
We made it to the woods, but someone was in our spot, so we gotta climb up this crazy hill. What's going on, guys? It is September 19th. It is the small game opener, and we are back out in the woods squirrel hunting. This morning we are hunting public land like usual. In the spot that we went to, there was a bow hunter there, so we moved to another spot. So we just kind of got set up. I'm here with my oldest son, which he's just like 30 yards that way, and then my youngest son is here with me. So hopefully we can get some squirrels moving in this spot here soon. My two boys over there looking for squirrels. It's a little break time. Eating a little snack. Man, we are not doing so good this morning. So far we've only seen one squirrel and didn't get a shot off. So we're just gonna hang tight right here. There was a squirrel behind us that way, but it saw us and it just got quiet, so we're just gonna hang tight. Some people ask why it's such a big deal, why we gotta go through all this for a squirrel hunting, but when you're hunting public land, there's a lot of pressure and there's not a lot of squirrels, so. Alright, thank you. He's been out in the woods a couple times now, so he knows how to follow the trails now, the path, right? You know how to follow the path? Yeah. Man, what a tough day. Lots of people today on public land here. We only saw one squirrel this morning, and then the rest of the afternoon we didn't really see anything, so we're just hanging out waiting for the other guys to show up, and we'll see if they get any squirrels. Here comes Kevin and Uncle Bubble. Alright, boys. We finally had a little bit of luck this evening. Uncle Bubble got nice fat gray.
Look at this guy, he's still got the nut in his mouth.
Oh, nice. See the squirrel? You like the squirrel? Look at it. That's why we came hunting for squirrels.
These two dudes.
Nice. Finally got a little bit of luck this evening. There we go. The morning was quiet because there's too many people, but we came to our spot in the afternoon and got lucky. Got 3 squirrels for the day, so we didn't get skunked. Well, we're gonna call it a day. We got 3 squirrels for the day, and at least we didn't get skunked. So nice to get out in the woods, enjoy the beautiful fall weather. Leaves are changing. So we will see you guys on the next video.